Hi, I'm Pansa Landwer-Johan.
And I'm Kevin Landwer-Johan. We run Chiang Mai Photo Workshops. So if you're like most of the people that join our photography workshops, you'll love traveling and you'll love taking photographs when you do. And this is probably the time that you use your camera the most. But are you always confident that you're getting the most from your camera and that you're getting the best shots from the locations that you visit and the experiences that you have? Let us encourage you, let us teach you to take your skill set to the next level so that as you can travel with a greater confidence that you're getting the best photographs of what you're seeing and what you're experiencing. We offer workshops rather than photo tours or photo trips, so we're teaching you. We're not just pointing out the cool things to photograph in Chiang Mai. We'll do some of that as well, but we will teach you to use your camera more confidently so that wherever you travel, you will be able to continue to learn and to continue to get the best possible photographs that you're seeing because you understand your camera better, because you know how to set it and you know what you're wanting. We don't just teach about camera settings, we'll teach you about photography as well. We like to teach you about understanding photographing people, understanding what it is to be in different types of locations, and how to maybe just stand back and have a look and observe before you jump in to take the photographs. And there's lots of technique, there's lots of ways of doing this, and we like to share for you how we do this, how we approach a situation, how we approach people to get the best possible photographs. We also emphasize a lot about visual storytelling, so using the photographs that you take when you're traveling to be able to show them and to convey your experience and to convey the feelings of your experience to those who you choose to show them, whether it's on your social media account or whether it's to your mum and dad, that you can give them some sort of appreciation for the real experience that you had when you're traveling. On our photography workshops, we love to take you to some a little bit out of the way places. We don't tend to go to the real touristic spots. We know that a lot of photographers prefer to find something a little bit more unique, a little bit more interesting. So local lifestyle is where we're at. We like to introduce you to the heartbeat and the real life of Chiang Mai and the surrounds. So we've got some great locations lined up. You can choose from the different ones as they're outlined on the web pages and see what you like to do yourself and to find out a little bit more about Northern Thai tradition. Over the years, we've built up some really lovely relationships with the people in the different locations that we visit too. So you'll also benefit from that because we've got really good rapport and can get some great photographs. The people are generally pretty relaxed with us and we know the people who enjoy being photographed. So it's all beneficial for our workshop guests. We've been running our photography workshops since 2013 and we love teaching. We love sharing our passion for photography, the experience that we've had, the knowledge that we've got, and we love to be able to impart that to you and to see our customers learn and develop their skills even within the course of the day. So please take time to have a look through our website a bit more, choose a workshop that you'd love to participate in, and make a booking today. Thanks for watching.